In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1.50 every 60 seconds. And I'm pretty sure that, hey, $1.50 might not sound like a lot, but if this is something that you're going to be doing on your spare time, that you can do it even just with your mobile device, and it's actually something that is working worldwide, this might be something really interesting. Okay, this money can, give you the opportunity to pay for center bills, maybe for the gas. So let me show you everything step by step. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn $1.50 every 16 seconds, even how you can earn $3. Well, sorry, not $3, $5. Yes, you hear right, $5 every 3 minutes. Let me show you everything step by step. Let me share my screen because I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page. Okay, first of all, you will need to go to paypal.com and you will need to open an account. You don't need to have a business account. And by the way, PayPal is free for everybody. The only thing that you actually need is a valid email address, provide your name, okay, and verify your identity. That's it. You're going to have a PayPal account. And the cool thing about PayPal is the fact that you can receive payment instantly. So that means that as soon as you decide to get paid from this company, you're going to have the money on your PayPal account. If for some reason, guys, you're in a country in which you're having trouble, withdrawing the money from PayPal to your bank account, or you want to change it for some crypto, okay, there is another way in which you can do this. And this is by using RTM. I'm going to be leaving a link below. If you would like to open an RTM account, it's 100% free. And you're going to have the opportunity to change the money from PayPal to your favorite crypto, or you can even have it on your local currency. Okay, this is like a digital dollar wallet or account. So there's a lot of opportunities here and several payment methods in which you can actually decide to, well, exchange the money from PayPal to some cryptos, to your PayPal, to your bank account and all this stuff. Okay, so how you can earn money now? You have your PayPal account, you have your AirTM account, you're ready to get started. Well, on this website, you can earn money by doing micro tasks. Okay, you can earn money by doing micro tasks. And of course, there are going to be tasks that are specific for certain regions. For example, this one is just US only, but as you can see, these are international. So that means that it doesn't matter where you guys at, you can do this test. This one is from Brazil, this one from the US. As you can see, we do have a lot of tests. Okay, so this is something that you can be doing every single day and you can be earning money every single day. There is a lot of tasks. And these are really simple tasks. Okay, for example, we have this one. You just need to Facebook like, okay, go to Facebook. I'm pretty sure you already have an account. Okay, you're going to like it, share it, and comment. Okay, and if you're in the UK, you can earn 16 cents. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's just 3 minutes. But we have another one, which is click the link and click on the blue Facebook button to vote. 1 minute. Okay, here we have like the Binance portfolio, fast pay, 1 minute, 10 cents. But there are other tests in which you can earn even more money. Let me show you. Okay, for example, here on payment, okay, you can go and you can click here where it says 521. Okay, here on 521, you can see this is an international test. Okay, this is not only reserved for the US. And it says download the image, okay, and you're going to earn 521 in 3 minutes. Really easy. Okay, let's say that you would like to do this one. Okay, you can open it and here you're going to have the instructions. It says, okay, download the image, 521 in 3 minutes. Really easy task. Okay, you just need to go to this URL, download the image, okay, complete the offers. So you are going to be unlocking the image and you download it, you finish, you're going to get paid 521. There are others as well. For example, we have this 431, again, international, easy earn 431 in a minute, okay, 3 minutes. There's going to be a description. Here, for example, we have $1.60, again, international, sign up and earn. Okay, this is 100% legit. Okay, international. So you guys are going to see that, hey, sometimes, the highest paid opportunities are because you aren't in the US. Well, but this is not the case with this opportunity, guys. Okay, this is not the case with this opportunity. Everybody have the opportunity to complete this. Also, if you are like, well, you know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it's a lot. For example, we have this one, earn each week, not just one, high trust rate. Okay, 70 cents, but it's 7 minutes. You're like, no, I don't want to spend 7 minutes. It's a lot of time. You can choose tasks that you can complete in literally 1 minute. Okay, you can do as many tasks as you want, and you're going to be earning easy and simple money. If you're like, no, I really have a lot of time, well, you know, we do have these other tasks as well. But my recommendation, guys, is go with the task that you guys can do between 1 to 3 minutes. Okay. Between literally 1 to 3 minutes. Do not spend a lot of time on this. So you're going to have more options to make money. Okay. So the size that we're going to be using is this one. It's called Rapid Worker, in which you are going to be accomplishing tasks. Okay. These are real people who are willing to pay you to do specific actions. Okay. You are not going to be, a full-time worker. This is not a full-time job. This is something that you guys are going to be doing on your spare time every single day. And you're going to be on your favorite social network or even downloading the image and you are going to get paid. Really easy, really simple. If you're ready to join, you can click here where it says sign up now and you can fill your name, your email, the password, where are you from, literally anywhere. Okay. But do not use a VPN. Okay. Do not use a VPN. That's something actually really, really important, guys. Because as you can see here, you have international tests. So literally it doesn't matter where you guys, okay, where you guys are, you can do a test. There are a lot. And as you can see, you can earn really good money with this. Okay. So really easy, really simple how you can complete this task. Choose the one that you feel comfortable. You can spend an hour here. You can spend 2 hours if you want. You can spend a couple of minutes and, get paid a couple of bucks. Okay. Let's say that you're going to go with a task that is going to be paying you 50 cents or 43 cents. Okay. If you spend 10 minutes, let's say that, hey, just spend 10 minutes doing all these tasks, that they're paying you 43 cents. Okay. Because you can have multiple tabs open. Okay. 10 minutes, you're going to be earning $4. Hey, it is actually worth it. Yeah. It's actually good money. It's good money. It's money that is going to help you and you can get paid super quick. But guys, if you're really serious about making money online, okay, I'm pretty sure that, yes, this is going to be okay if you go to Rapid Workers and do a couple of tasks here and there, but maybe you want to do something different. You want to have the opportunity to fire your boss, to live your life in your term. Okay. I'm going to be leaving the link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. It's actually a free course, so it's nothing to lose. You guys are going to click, you're going to fill out some information, and you're going to get a free course, and you're going to decide like, hey, I'm pretty sure like that, like me, like, hey, this is a great opportunity. I'm ready to fire my boss. I'm ready to grow. I'm ready to be serious on this. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to help me my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.